back to my channel. So, ang ating himuon karon is actually trying to, this would help boost up our immune system, you know? So, we'll be making a very healthy drink na we know this time, you know, it would be very helpful to us, very beneficial to us, okay? So, this is actually, but before that, I would like you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please click the bell icon, especially if new pa mo sa akong channel, so you will be notified to whatever new videos that I'll be uploading. Alright? So, okay guys, so we'll be making our very healthy drink. I call it COVID drink. Okay? Yeah, because this is very helpful to us, especially this time of pandemic, alright? So we have very easy ingredients, guys. Just 2 main ingredients on this very healthy drink. I've got here some tanglad. All the more the tanglad, it's all the more the lami your tea would be, okay? I have here my tanglad and my ginger, okay? So all we need to do is just to slice this tanglad or the lemongrass using my cutter. This is Clever Cutter. Okay? Thank you so much for the sponsor of this one. And ako yung mga sponsor, guys. So this is given to me by my husband's aunt in Manila. So she gave this to me. Okay? And you see guys, this lemongrass or this tanglad, they have a lot of health benefits to us, you know. So this is actually anti-inflammatory. This would help our immune system to boost up, and digestion as well, helps our digestion, and lower our cholesterol. And a lot of benefits we can get from lemongrass. This is very common, guys. You can actually get this all year round sa mercado, and you can also plant or own. This tanglad, guys, is actually taken from our neighbors tamnanan, but we ask permission, of course, you know. Yes. Now I've finished cutting off our lemongrass. We also know that there's a lot of health benefits in ginger as well. So I'm using actually my tenderizer here, so it would be easy. Ginger and lemongrass, they go well together. They make up a very healthy and refreshing tea. You can drink this like it's hot, or some of us nowadays would really drink cold drinks because it's really hot these days. So most of us prefer to drink cold drinks, you know. I still love to drink it while it's hot, steamy hot. Okay. So I'm done pounding my ginger and cutting my lemongrass. So I'm actually boiling water there. And another ingredient, guys, is to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Guys, I'm actually boiling water there. I'm boiling 3 cups of water, and I put like 1 tablespoon of sugar. So it's really up to your preference, guys, or to your taste. I just like it 1 tablespoon just to taste some sweetness on my tea, right? But it's still according to your preference, okay? So let's just wait for that water to boil. Not really boil, almost boiling. So we can drop in our lemongrass and ginger. Okay guys, so our water is almost to a boil now. So we just have to put in our tanglad and our Ginger. And let's wait for this, guys, na mag-brown na siya itong water, no? Let this boil like around 15 to 20 minutes. Haron mag-brown din siya pag ayo ang water. Alright, let's get back to this 20 minutes later.
20 minutes later.
Okay, guys. See, can you see that? It's really, really boiling now. It reaches to its boiling water, boiling point. So try to look at the water, guys. It's turning brownish now. Okay. Look at that. So this is enough, and I will be transferring this over to a container. Alright, so we just need to save. Ato na siyang sa anon, guys. Karon, nice pa itong pag-drink. Smooth na itong pag-drink. Wala yung mga dahon-dahon or luyan, mga maapil. Okay? So, very important nga ito siyang sa anon before na ito inom. Alright? Okay, so mauna ni siya. Ako na siya masaan. And, ayun na siya ilabay dayon, guys. Kaya pwede rin ni siya nimuting buyan og tubig. Refill lang. Hangtod na pa siya i-flavor nga mo gawas. Okay? So, hindi siya sayang. Ayun siya ilabay dayon. Butangi lang siya tubig. And then, this is already the finished product. Well, ito pa na siyang butangan o lemon. Additional benefits sa atong drinks. Hey guys, so tara, na-transfer na nato siya sa container. And ito sa siyang butangan og lemon, guys. Anong additional na benefits sa atong drink. Okay? Then let's put in more lemon, and then our ice cubes. Ato siya butang og style, guys. Para magwapa. Okay, so gwapa na kaya itong ang finished product. So, itong health benefit na drink, healthy drinks. This is already the finished product of our healthy drinks. This is bugnaw. Bugnaw ni siya. Kaya gibutangan ko siya ice. And gibutangan po na ko siya lemon yung gamay. Okay? But, I would also love it kung init-init pa siya, guys. So, I have here my teacup, my tea set. Okay? Yeah, I would also love to drink this one, guys, kung init siya. And then, ako lang siyang butangan og tea. To enhance the flavor. Okay? Here. No? I'm just gonna drop here. And then, cover. And I'll drink this like this. This is super healthy, guys. Right? So, ganahan sa kong init siya. Mura siya tea. Sagulan ako siya tea. Kaya makasoothe man siya sa akong throat. Yeah. Especially me, nga gusto kay kumutabi, tabian kay kustanan. So, soothing ang effects siya sa akong throat, no? Kung init-init pa ang tea. This is very refreshing, guys. Very soothing, very healthy, very this is just what we need in times of this pandemic that we're facing right now. So guys, so I hope inyo sa himuon. This is actually my secret, guys. I drank this like mao na siya akong tubig, mao na akong hinubig pirmi, guys, no? So this is actually giving me the stamina, the strength, the energy. This boosts my immune system overall, no? May energetic kay ko, tabian ti kustanan. Ano siya ang one of the secrets, no? aside from being vegetarian, mo na siya ang one of the secrets nga nung energetic kay ko, murag dili ka po yun, no? So, I hope guys, you will also make this one. This also is very refreshing, especially during these hot days, no? How did ma heat stroke, mainom kaaning very refreshing drinks. COVID drink, as I call it, no? In times of pandemic, use lemongrass and ginger tea. Okay? Alright, so I hope you learned something from our video today, guys. But before we go, again, shout out na sa ta, guys, no? I would like to shout out my very dear friend nga iya jung gihimo ang one of my videos, vegan, no? Vegan chocolate moist cake, no? I'd like to shout out to Essie Inchero. She used to be my colleague, guys, when I was working in one of the call centers here in Cebu. So, I'm very proud nga nakahimo siya because she's also trying to eat healthy na, guys, no? So, it's very important to eat healthy, drink healthy these days, haron malayo ta sa COVID. Okay? So, once again, thank you so much for watching our video today. And also, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my talent and click the bell icon. This has been Barbara, Smart Cooking with Barbara, powered by Barbz Kitchen. See you again in our next recipe. Bye!